This is Ben Lang-Henriks of GeniAI Software with a short demo how to take a Domino blog and convert it to WordPress using the mighty LSX. I created a sample blog, just called Acne Blog, with a couple of posts from my regular blog and put them in the Domino template. And if you switch over and look at our website, you can see the geniaisoft.com/acneblog.set. There are those posts. This was prompted by Alan Lepofsky saying that he wanted to take his Domino blog and put it in WordPress. So I thought just use something like a CSV importer. There are a number of this one shows. Basically, you'll need a post ID, author, date, content, title, categories, tags, that sort of thing. Then I go to my export to CSV sample, and if I create a directive and go out to the server and pick the blog, I am not going to need to render the copy of the document. And I will use a view in this case because I only want the posts and not the other admin type stuff. So the vContent view is a good one. And if I go ahead and let's go out, it's going to go into the export directory. So if I clear the flag, press to export the database, then it will go and it will create something with all the fields. And this will give me a good place to start to see how to map. So I went and I did this, and I looked at all the different fields, and there's the author, and there are the categories, for instance, and then I looked for the content. So once I knew what they all were, then I could go and create special fields that would work properly. The specification that I came up with that would match the importer. It basically has, you can either set constant values or fields or formulas, and you set them to what the tag is going to be for each of the different fields that you want to save. Then I put a special image URL, because that's where the images will come from, since I can't import the images directly. And when I run this, you'll see that we now match the CSV format. We need a blank post ID because it will create its own. We do want the permalink so that the links will still work once we change the URLs. And then the author and the date, and the content has all the HTML. And if you look at the URL of the image source, it goes to wherever I told it that the images would be. So that's basically the process that you use, and then you put this in through one of the importers. There are the files that need to get, the image files that need to get uploaded somewhere. You go through an importer, and then it's all your posts are in WordPress. Thank you very much.